Yes, 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 yes. Turn that down. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about comes about. Whatever you focus on grows. A couple trade ideas for you this morning. We're looking at utility stocks. They are now under the 200-day moving average. Now, the symbol for utilities is the XLU. Okay. Now, I would highly recommend, if you were going to take a trade like this, use this as a learning experience. What is the XLU? The XLU is the Utility Select Spider Fund. Trades on the NASDAQ. It's made up of the top utility stocks in America. And all you young people should know what they are, because they're going to give you the dividends when you're old and fat. That's where the dividends come from. A lot of rich people collect money from these companies. So every month you're out there paying your electric bill. Thank you. It gives me a little bit of money. That's what these are. Now, the pattern we trade inside the money flow is price moving sideways, price moving up, right? Price moving sideways, then price moving down. So we've seen this come into support. It's been here before. It stopped here a couple times. We've got it here as support, and over here at one time it was resistance. So it tells me this level's pretty legit. We shall see. Obviously, we don't know the future. I feel pretty good about this. It is put in 5 days. I like to look for that box. And I like it to go above the 5-day moving average. And that's what we're seeing in real time, baby. Real time. Look at that. Bam, you are witnessing the birth of a stage 1. If this was a baby, we'd have to give it a name. It's the birth. Now, let's pull up the pattern for any newbies out there. You might say, what is this guy talking about? I'm talking about the flow of the market. See, the market moves in 4 stages. I don't make any attempts at all to predict the market. I do know this, that over time, stock market goes up as much as 71.36618% of the time. Now, the other 2.9.66612 of the time, it tends to go down. It always goes down faster than it goes up and leaves scars and scares people. Yeah, of course, the XLU has a dividend. You better get educated, sir. Except this XLU is one of the 11 sectors of the S&P 500. So if you're going to hang out with me, what's up, Ashton? If you're going to hang out with me, you better learn the 11 sectors of the S&P 500. It's super important, because once you can deep dive into the sectors, you can begin to see which sectors are bucking the trend or which sectors are turning first, because they won't all turn at the same time. And as we study the chart and as we look, right, now watch, look over here. I want you to see something. Sometimes this thing will move perfect. It'll go sideways. And that's what we're seeing right now. What you're seeing right here. What's up, Doc? And then price moves up and then it stops. Okay? And then down and then stops. Well, that's what we're seeing now. Little jumpy. Got above the 20. Remember, we never trust a sloping down 20 breakout anyway. Can't trust them anyway. That's like a girl that likes to kiss your best friends. You can't trust her. That's what this is. Anytime you got a breakout going in against a sloping down 20-day moving average, it's suspect at least. It takes time. It's got to turn. That's the way it works. See right there? It tried it, and it took a minute. Now, it is the first sign that shit may be changing, but sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, but they're suspect, okay? They're suspect. Don't send me you act like I got a lot of free time sit around reading people's portfolios, man. I do not. Let's see. You just interviewed for Fidelity Investments. Congratulations, sir. I hope you get the job. Pulling for you. I just interviewed for a job for street sweeper over here. Man, they need to sweep my streets. It's getting bad. Mardi Gras people just throw shit on the ground. I think you got to be on parole to have that job, though. So, and since I haven't been in trouble, so this is the XLU. If you want to trade this, don't do the XLU. But if you are a buy and holder, this would be a good spot to nibble on it. Okay. But as a trader, we don't want to do that. What do you mean, Gerald? Well, we need some leverage. We need some leverage. So if we're looking at utility stocks, what stocks make up utility stocks? Some of the more popular ones would include Southern Electric. Oh, look at that stage one, baby. Remember what I said? I need a anchor point. Now this one is 1 bar behind for those. See, there's my anchor point, the lowest low. And then what? We've got total of 3 days counting the anchor point. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. We don't have 4 day, but we do have, look at what we do have. Pretty solid previous resistance now becomes support. And we know that price moves what? Price has memory. Wherever price has been before, it tends to go. Notice this up here, so resistance, right? Why? Memory. Now, why does it do that? Fuck, I don't know, man. I don't know why fuck anything does anything, man. I don't know. Why did your girlfriend kiss your best friend? I don't know why these things happen. I just know they happen. And so as we watch, look, it just works. We don't know. We don't need to know. We just know, okay? We don't need to know. We just know. So now notice, you might could call that a box. It's a little bit early, but if we go to the index fund, the XLU, it's got 4 bars. But we want to look at possibly trading it, which would be the UTSL, which is a triple leveraged fund. Triple leveraged. So all you guys that like options and fucking crazy crypto coins, this is for you. All right? But always use the unleveraged fund to make your trade decisions. Now, no determinate. I don't know if it's going up or not. I just know what it looks like when it does. I don't know if it's going to rain or not, but often it's cloudy. Okay? That doesn't make me a meteorologist. It just makes me a guy that sees patterns. And all I've ever tried to do in life is look for patterns. It's the only arbitrage I've ever found is similar patterns. So I buy similar houses. What's up, man? I buy similar, so everything you notice is the same, right? My real estate's all the same. Like it's all basic, same pattern over and over and over. That's what the money flow is. It's just a pattern, okay? So here we are. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Do we got an anchor point? Yes, we do. Remember, I've been patiently waiting on this trade. What about the MACD histogram? Is it ticking in our favor? Yes, it is. Look at it. What I mean by ticking, meaning this blue, this is called a histogram for all you guys that smoked weed and didn't go to fucking math class. And this is something they plot, right? You plot these if you ever took math. Now, as you watch, when I say tick up, meaning it's printing lower and lower. Well, when it gets to this center line, that's when you have a MACD crossover. Okay? I don't need the lines to tell me. I can visually see it happening, okay? I can see it visually happening. So we don't need that, okay? So for all my weed smokers, just watch the color, and when the tick starts to tick this way, you know, look, momentum is stopping. And so that's further confirmation that probably this is bottomed, or at least it's setting up the pattern. Now we got to sit here and just block chicks. What is wrong with the world, man? What is wrong with the world? I wish we could just block anybody with 3 numbers after their name. I got 2. Full auto 1, 1. Let's see. So we're putting in a base there. Jessica, what is up? What's up, Mike? Mike. Let's see. What do we? Oh, we're not looking at those, man. We're not looking at those. We're looking at 2 trade ideas here. I'm gonna give you the second in just a second. I'm not gonna hold you too long today. This is the UTSL. I think I read the other day the average person stays on a live for 8 minutes. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's longer than Instagram. That's on YouTube. YouTube has an attention span of about 8 minutes. Instagram has an attention span of about 13 seconds. So it's like a fish in a fishbowl. You got to like tap it real quick to get their attention. I don't know why that is, but it is true. First targets on this obviously it's going to be like in the 35.5 range, 36, maybe up in here into 39 if we get lucky. Keep an eye on the RSI. We're not looking at growth stocks, man. Stop asking about them. They all suck right now, except Roku. So that's what we're looking at, man. I'm trying to give you a trade that'll work, okay? I'm trying to help you, man. Stop kissing the same girl. Listen, this is where we're at, man. The utility stocks, there's a fundamental reason they could play. We got a lot of uncertainty. Oh, I know a lot of you guys are above average. That's just what the average mofos. They got about 8 minutes. On YouTube and on Instagram, it's about 13 seconds. Let's see. We'll see. Maybe at the end of the day, this trade changes. Hard stops, I don't use them. But, I guess at some point in here, we got to give up on it. This is one of those ones I don't tend to give up on. If you trade with me, you know that. I'll stay with it, build it up. Eventually, it's going up. Is that good trading? Probably not, but it works for me. This is a utility ETF, okay? These are Southern Electric, Duke, Edison Electric. These these aren't penny stocks. So for me, I can give them a little room to do what they do. Appreciate that, Darland? I'm sure that's a silent H, right? What's up, Mike? Let's see. Oh, second one. This is an idea. I like the UTSL better, but this is another triple leveraged, and you could go find an ETF that isn't triple leveraged. And SOXL. Now, I would keep this one smaller, and this could break down. But we're in a zone here where I'm going to take a shot on it. It's stopped here a bunch of times, man. Obviously, things don't go well in Russia. This is coming down. It's now below the 200. This is, made up of AMD. One of the things I liked about this when we first started talking about it was it put in this reversal way down here and then came right back. So if I woke up tomorrow and it came down, I am not pulling the trigger on getting stopped out until I see the end of the day based on this candle over here, meaning I believe this area can hold. We shall see. Obviously, if the Russian conflict gets worse and worse and worse, this could deteriorate. And we still have a sloping down 20-day moving average. What I'm trying to do here is catch the very bottom. High risk trade. Obviously, you could take the unleveraged. You could take AMD. AMD's in this sector. So this is a triple leveraged semiconductor play. Look at AMD. AMD flirted with getting above the 20 today. It did not. So a safer play maybe is to do AMD. No. Safer play is to do AMD. So that's two that I'm looking at today. Let's go ahead and just block this guy. Let's see. Liz, what do I think of ETH? Come on, girl. It's the second largest crypto coin in the world. What do you think I think? I think you should have a bunch of ETH. Let's see. I think you should, from now on, anytime you go on a date, say, look, don't buy me anything. Just send ETH to my account. Don't buy me anything. Send ETH to my account. It's in a stage 4 decline right now, though. Stage 4 decline. And you say, can you buy it here? Nope. Can't buy it here, man. Can't buy it here. This is a stage 4 decline. So our target on ETH is down in here. So in theory, it should come down lower if you're following the rules of the money flow. And you say, what do you mean? Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, Stage 4. So are you guys buying right now? You're not following it. You're doing something else. I don't know what you're doing. Mental masturbation is what it looks like to me. This is a stage 4 decline. Price is going down. Where's it going to stop? Where it stopped before. So my target is lower. So I wouldn't be a buyer here. Now let's go to the histogram. Yeah, everybody that bought it, you're out of the money flow. You're not in it. You're doing something else. Look at the momentum is still to the downside. Look. What is that telling you right there? Even all the kids that smoked weed and didn't do very well in school, watch what I'm trying to help you with. The trading strategy doesn't revolve you using math. You see that right there? It's ticking down. See that level? This one is lower. That means the momentum is still to the downside. It's going down. And where is it going to go? Where it was before. Now, when it turns and goes up, where's it going to go? Where it was before. And you create this pattern like this. Now, a lot of shit going on inside of that, right? Let's see. Jessica got stopped out of Nike. Girl, don't be using those hard stops, man. Come on, man. Let's look at Nike. Let me see what's going on. Ooh. Yeah, Nike's breaking down. Let's see where we close. We might have to take it down. Oh, so close, too. Look at that. Oh, well, man. This is the risk of trading. Trades move against you. Especially when you're trading when the overall market is going down. That's the risk. So we broke support on Nike. This is a trade we were doing together. And I was telling about grab yourself a couple shares. And she's right. It has broken support. It has broken support. Let's see. Now, I'm guessing the rest of the S&P is selling off too, huh? Let's see. Let's check in on oil stocks. Now, be very, very, very concerned here when everyone is insisting, everybody on planet Earth thinks oil's going higher. Everyone thinks oil is going higher. That means I don't like it. Because everyone tends to be wrong. So we're getting a sell signal on Exxon, on Chevron. Not Chevron yet, but first Exxon. We'll see. A little early to sell, right? So what do you see? There's your stage 1, right? There's your stage 2 breakout, right? Ran up, right? Boom. And now what? Where's the highest high? We can just back it up. There's the highest high. Where's the lowest low? There's the lowest low. So now what are we looking to create? Well, we're looking for the next lowest low, which is right there. But now we're starting to roll over. So if we're looking at the pattern, best time to sell is what? Price tops out, starts to roll over. Now, I'm not selling any more Exxon. I said that this morning in our Discord group. I've sold all I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna ride the rest down, but I'm not buying into. What's up, Ace? I'm not buying into this idea that oil's going. Once everyone thinks oil's going really higher, that is usually the top, guys. Once everyone agrees on something, that means all the money's in. So you wanted to be buying these oil stocks when everyone hated them. Right? That's when I was buying them. Now I've been unloading some of them. So I want to buy all the stocks everyone hates. But I want to do it on stage 1s when it looks like it's bottomed. So that's the strategy. Let's see. Some of these oils are holding up though. So what's our proxy for oil? XL or USO. There's several others. USO looks pretty strong though. And you'll see from time to time the stocks will break correlation with the actual commodity. But watch this, man. Watch this. Lowest low, highest high, Low is low, high is high, right? Now we fill it in. Yeah. See that? Now, you'll hear people talk about A, B, C patterns and this and that. Yeah, whatever. You don't need to know that. That's a stage 3. And what? Once it broke below the 20, that's usually your signal. Now, you'll get these breaks below and then it turns right back around. Remember, I've told you I don't like to take these for trades if I'm trying to trade because the previous high is right there. And I believe the market runs back to the previous high when it breaks out. So it's just not enough of a move. So down we've come. Now we're sideways, right? And then what? There's your stage 2 breakout right over here. And then what? We ran up. Where's my target on the way up? Previous high. So if I'm swing trading, I'm looking to sell some in there and then let it run, right? When an RSI gets extreme, I'm looking to sell some more. But what I'm looking at is if it's topping out. Now, this is the USO, so this is the actual oil thing. So we can begin to make out the pattern right now. It's doing a stage 3. It's doing a stage 3. What happens after stage 3? It goes sideways or down. That's pretty much what it does. CMP has big upside this year. You actually can't possibly fucking know that, sir. You're not a fortune teller. You're not a gypsy. You can't read the future. You have no idea what you're saying. Now, you may think fundamentally that it has upside, but you don't know that. You can't possibly fucking know that. We could go in, the world could get AIDS. We could have a giant nuclear war. You have no idea where that stock is going at all. So don't stop telling yourself you do. You don't know. Now, it is a giant stage 1. I like that. See, I'm trying to help you, man. The way you quit drinking is you have first admit you have a fucking drinking problem. A lot of you guys think you know where stocks are going. Stop. You don't have no idea. Not one of you knows where the fuck a stock is going. If you did, you'd be a billionaire. So stop. Now, you can say fundamentally, I think there's a good case here that it could go higher. But we don't actually know that. It's very important to say that out loud to yourself a lot. I actually have no idea. It's a guess. Exactly. I'm fucking guessing. So here, guys, you should bet your fortune on my guesses. It's good to say this out loud. It's super important because I get new people come into the stock market who actually think there are people. Let me let you know something. Chris Johnson has no fucking clue where stocks are going. Neither do I or any other fucking influencer. No idea at all. None. And ones that think they do are fucking selling you something. They have no idea. That's super important to say that all the time, out loud. So as you're watching something and you see Jim Cramer say something, go, he has no fucking clue what he's talking about. He cannot possibly know that. It's good. Keeps you from being heavily influenced, man. Yeah, ETRN looks good. Looks good, man. Look at that. Watch. ETRN's coming down. I need that because that's a nice dividend stock. Oof. Now we're down huge. They missed on earnings. Oof. It's coming down good, too. Let's see. And you say, yeah, but it's not good. Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. We've been here before. Remember back here? Remember back when it was $3? Yeah, man. We could do it again. So where's we going? Probably like in the $6 range. And if that breaks, where are we going? Down here in the 330, 350 range. Now, do we give up on the stock? Hell no. It's a core trading position. So for me, it's a core holding. It's a dividend stock. I mean, it's an MLP. Yeah, all you guys in Palantir, that's going down. Man, stock market's turning fast, huh? Let's see. That sucks. Oh, yeah, look at Palantir's going down 5%. Did Roku lose steam? That didn't last long. That did not last long. Looks like you're all fucked, man. I don't know what to tell you. They're going down. Let's check on XLU. Ooh, not XLU, though. It looks strong. That's my trade today, man. That's what I got. Yeah, we got to wait on PL or ETRN. Let's let that thing settle in, see what's going on. Looks like they missed earnings. That company's had a lot of troubles, man. A lot of troubles. Just a tip, though, if you sell all the companies that have troubles, you're going to have a hard time getting cheap prices. I hope that makes sense to you. We're not looking at Square, sir. Nobody gives a shit about looking at a stock that's going down. Let's see. Let's see. Where do we think Square is today? Let's put in Square. Let's look at all the stupid stocks you guys want to look at Square. Yeah, straight down, sir. What else? Let's look at all the other stupid stocks you want to look at that are going straight down. MTR. Yep, that's down too. Down 5%, 200% return potential. You have no idea that's going to happen, sir. Let's see. Yes, I'm holding ETRN in my... What's up, Curvy? I'm holding ETRN in my SEP IRA. Let's see. Executive order coming. All right, sir. And I'm guessing you work at the White House. That's how you know that? Or you just like spreading fear and all that? You just like to come on my show and spread fear? Let's see. How come you don't trade puts? I don't want to. You trade puts, sir. Because I'm 50 years old. Been doing it for 21 years and watched enough people lose money that I actually don't need to play in the road to learn don't play in the road. That's public news. So you believe the news, sir? If you don't have anything good to say, why don't you quote us something? Go find us a Bible verse or something. Say something nice, man. Don't come in fucking crying. Find something nice to say. Say something nice. Yes, I trade gold. Let's see. Square's competitors are so much better. I don't know about that, man, but let's see. Yeah, AT&T's looking good. So you're seeing all the stocks that are looking good are like utilities, the phone company stocks. Look at AT&T. Yep. It's having a hard time, though. So what is the Dow down now? 300? Yeah, 338. Oh, man, we're good. Dow's coming into a level here. We're good. This thing's bottoming out. We'll probably be green by the end of the day. Look at this. So it's been here before, right? It's been here before a few times. We're good. Don't panic. It is a stage 4, though, so don't try to buy it. Don't try to buy it. I'm just messing with you, man. Biden might ban it. Shit, I don't know. That's pretty funny to me that it's the conservatives that like crypto. You don't find that a little ironic? It's created by left-wing fucking coders, and then it's the fucking... Then the fucking Democrats want to ban it. That's just funny to me. They're going to ban crypto and legalize assault weapons. That's where we're at. Let's see. Let me give you a little food for thought as a long-time investor. Some investments go bad. Some investments go bad and you lose your money. And that's why you got to be very careful going in heavy on any one thing. Okay? I love real estate, but I also own dividend stocks. You know, and a lot of my real estate friends will be like, why don't you just buy all houses? If you got $1 million in stocks, why don't you just go buy an apartment building? And I'm like, you say that like there's no risk in that. There's risk in that, right? So there's risk in buying a lot of things. So my point is on that, don't get all bent up, man. Just you need to have different assets in different classes, and over your life you're going to have shit that goes to zero. I've had 5 or 6 stocks that were investments that went to zero. That's going to happen. You're going to have setbacks. You're going to have years where you have less. I know some of you guys are young and you think it just grows and grows and grows and grows and grows. That's bullshit. You're going to get fired. You're going to have people die. You're going to get sick. Your house is going to catch fucking fire. You're going to be in wrecks. People are going to sue you. Bad shit happens a lot. And that's going to happen to you. You're going to have years where your account went down, not up. Let's see. Hold on, man. I'm just going through blocking people. I'm in KHC. Doc, how can you not be in craft, baby? That should be in your buy and hold, man. I was trimming it yesterday, man. You guys aren't in craft? Come on, man. This is one we've been in for a minute. Doc, you should be in this. I don't know how you can not be in this, sir. So if you come over here, I'll show you all the stocks I'm holding. These are my buy and hold. These are stocks I never sell. Okay. Well, I don't want to say I never sell. I trim them, but I don't cut them. So you're going to see a lot of these. These are all dividend stocks, right? I thought we were adding to KHC. So one of mine, the ones that I'd be looking at now are Gilead. So if you're looking for buy and hold stocks, ones that I'm looking at right now are Gilead. Gilead. Gild. Nice stage one, right? Nice stage one. Way below the 200. Way below the 200. Pays a 4.5% dividend yield. So now's when you want to be adding to that. Something nice to say, treat others how you want to be treated. That is a very nice statement, Danny. Appreciate that. Clorox, yeah, Clorox looks good. The only problem with Clorox is they keep bringing down the value of the company. Let's see. Loading up on some dividend stocks today. ETRN. Shane, you're a little early, sir. I would not be buying ETRN today, although it is in my buy and hold. So if you want to see what I hold, these I do not sell, guys. I've only sold a buy and hold stock. I can only think of 2 that I've sold in the last 6 years. So, and that was GE and SDRL. That's the only 2 that I can think of right now that were a buy and hold position that I've sold. I may trim them, but that I've sold. So I just stay in these. And when these set up for stage one, I'm looking to drip add to them. So Gilead's on that list. I'm looking to drip add to that. What else is on that list that's down right now? AT&T's on that list. What else? So as I go through there, I'm looking, what could I trim? What could I add? ETRN's on there, Walgreens, CVS Pharmacy, Merck, Uber, Lyft, Tree. Now those are not dividend stocks, obviously. Wells Fargo, FE, Raytheon, Gold, DLR, VTRS, CRM, Amgen, Coke, Kellogg's, ED. So there's a bunch, right? Campbell's was breaking out. Is Campbell still breaking out? I know none of you guys own Campbell's. Campbell's is breaking out. Nobody owns Campbell's. What else is breaking out? Yeah, but 3M keeps getting downgraded, man. I'd wait on 3M. Campbell's is breaking out. What else we got breaking out? Cisco is breaking out. Cisco's trying to break out. Stage 2 on Cisco. DWAC, it's already breaking out, bro. Let's see. Guys buy LMT and RTX, no financial advice. I have no idea what you're saying, sir. A little late on LMT and RTX, in my opinion. You want to buy these things before other people are buying them, man. So the time to have bought LMT was a while back, man. Back here, guys. This is when we bought it, right here. So you will only see me buying stocks after they get smashed and they go sideways. So the day that I added this to my buy and hold was right here. Boom. Right there. Big sell off. Let me block that person. Big sell off, and then we move up. And now what? Now we're on a stage 3. So hopefully nobody's buying here. We were trimming, so now we're selling. You want to sell into this thing. Now, did I know defense stocks would get hot or oil stocks would get hot? No, no idea. But now we want to trim those, right? Let's see. Let me block this guy. I think I just blocked a follower. I think you just got blocked, bro. Let's see. Yeah, of course, man. You don't buy Kraft now. Come on, use your brain. You want to buy it when it's not going up, man. So these type of stocks, you're going to see people in the news talking about LMT and RTX, and I don't think RTX has done as well, though. It's all right, Raytheon. Dude, you want to buy these when they're down here, right? You want to buy these when they come down and then go sideways. So you're buying these bottom boxes. Man, if you just do that the rest of your life and don't worry about what fucking direction the stock market's going, I'd make you rich. It doesn't matter what direction the market's going. Just accumulate stage 1s. That's most of you. That's all you'd have to do, and you'd be fucking rich. And instead, you'll fuck it up chasing stupid things, and you'll spend 5 to 6 years wasting your time trying to predict the stock market. Let's see. I'm telling you, man. Yeah, I like old Josh Brown. I like Kathy. Josh is not a big fan of ARK funds right now. Let's see. What's your take on crypto? I don't even know what crypto is, sir. Let's see. That's it, man. That's all I got, man. I'd be looking toward the safer stocks or waiting for these things. All these growth stocks need to set up, man. You got to let them set up. You know, they got to put in a base. They got to stop dropping. Don't buy stocks that are dropping big red drops, you know. Stop buying all these fucking popular stocks too, man. Find shit nobody knows or nobody else is paying attention to. Like this. This is a horrible stock to buy, guys. All right, we're going to put you on point, bro. Listen, Mr. RBLX, do you own this stock? You would not buy this here. It's going straight fucking down. So, I mean, is the goal to lose your... Like, this is not what you buy. You let it stop dropping, man. It's going straight down. There's nothing about this that says it's done going down. Matter of fact, like, I wrote a whole book trying to help you with this. Look. Momentum to the downside. Everything is pointing down on this stock. Like everything. Down, 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 down. So what do? Nothing. If you own it, don't add to it. It's crazy. Wait. And it'll go sideways, and then it'll run up, and then it'll go sideways, and it'll run down. Right? And that's what you're seeing. It is running down now. So... Let's see. Well, you could be waiting for a position to get in it. I wouldn't mind being in it, but not right now. Let's see. Do you think it's going up by March 4th? Ollie, bro, stop playing options. Get your head out of your ass and stop playing options. Get your head out of your ass and stop playing options. Do you think it's going up by March 4th? You know how stupid that question is? You must be a new follower to me, so I'm not going to call you names. But for everyone listening, you need to understand how dumb that question is. Not that he's dumb, but the idea that a human being could know where a stock is going to go by a particular fucking date is so absurd that you're new to stocks. Yeah, so here's an idea. Head out of ass, stop doing dumb things, and learn. Stop looking at options. Ignore all these fucking gurus talking to you about options. Ignore all these people talking to you about futures and Forex and fucking Bitcoin. All of that stuff. And fucking learn, man. And learn. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. I could help you, man. I could help you. You could decide that right now. I could show you 20 years of stock market trading in a very short order period. Oh, he probably get a face like, oh man, she's so mean to me. I'm gonna go spoon with my wife so I feel better today. But Ollie, you should DM me after this and let me fix your problem. DM me, Ollie. However you say your name. I could fix your problem, man. No, thank you. You're mean. All right, I tried to help you, bro. I tried to help you one-on-one, and you didn't want the help. So, no worries. We shall move on. You're not a Marine, bro. We're not a Marine. Let's see. He says, hit my bio link and you can buy the book, man. No, nobody's going to tell you, Loki. So we're back to UTSL. This is my trade recommendation. Keep an eye on this. Even if you're just following along at home for entertainment, I'll take the option for help. I don't believe you, man. I think you're full of shit too, like everybody else. Most people are completely full of shit, walk around lying to themselves. You got a damn picture of yourself sitting at a fucking beach. Unless you own a beach house there that you got on Airbnb, you shouldn't be at a fucking beach right now. You should be trying to make some money. The idea that you got time to take off and go to a fucking beach when you're broke tells me a lot about you already. So, you got your pictures, you at a beach. I'm fucking working 8 days a week trying to get rich, remodeling houses. I'm looking at you on a fucking beach. So, that tells me what I need to know, man. Let me go to your Instagram. I'm going to go to your Instagram after this. I'm going to put you on my story, man. We're going to see. You wanted my help. Let's go look. I'm going to go on there and it's going to be model shots of you hanging out at a fucking beach, taking time off, hanging out with your friends. That's what it's going to be. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. All you guys that send me this, like, dude, when I go look at your Instagram and that's what I see, fucking, no wonder you're broke, man. You spend your whole life fucking wasting time and money. I mean, at some point, it's got to piss you off, right? It doesn't piss you off to drive around and see these big buildings and all these people own that, and all you and your friends do is just hang out in there and spend money and give all your money to rich people. That doesn't piss you off after a while. It doesn't piss you off to drive by car dealerships you don't own and real estate that you don't own and then fucking take days off and hang out at a beach where you don't own any property. That doesn't piss you off. It pisses me off, man. It thoroughly pisses me off going vacant and I don't own a property here. That makes me mad, man. Being poor pisses me off, man. It pisses me. It really does, man. It makes me mad, dude. Makes me mad when I see that stuff, man. But that's just me. You ain't got to be me. That's just me. I don't know any other way to get energy behind what you're doing other than to get pissed off at your circumstances. And if you're not pissed off at your circumstances, then you're just gonna soak in it, man. You're just gonna soak in it, man. What's up, Rich? You do own 3. All right, you own 3. I own 17. You bragging or complaining? I think you're fucking complaining. So, Still, get rid of the beach pose, bro. I hate that. It really aggravates me. Are you a fucking beach model? Or are you a real estate investor? You know what I see when I see that? A guy that doesn't work. That's what I see. That's just me. So see how first impressions are very important. That's what they say. No. All right, Ollie, we get it. Yeah, you definitely need 10 more. Don't brag about 3, because 3 just tells me you're dragging ass. That's it. SOXL may not work today. That one may get stopped out of immediately. We'll see. It is not looking good. That thing turned down immediately. I would not hold this, we might be out of this one pretty quick. I really don't want to write it down. So, but the UTSL looks good, man. Stay with that. And wow, I blocked that dude. But how the hell do they do those little? That's pretty crazy. That little fucking bear thing. Let's see. Ollie, I'm going to help you out, bro. I like that little quote there. He just said, the faster I build, the slower I build wealth, the faster it happens. I like that. I might add the word seems to happen. I like that. I might steal that from you. I'm thinking you got that from somewhere. Yeah, that's pretty interesting how they do that. I'm just teasing with you, bro, but come on, man. Get rid of the glamour shot, baby. It makes you look like you don't do any work. Next thing you know, you're going to be on Instagram showing off your $500 socks, your $50,000 watch, and you're like, man, you ain't even got any drywall mud on your Rolex, man. Come on, man. I need to see some man work. Some work, man. Getting fucking dirty with tools and shit. Let me see some work, man. That's what I need to see. Let me know you're still a fucking soldier, not a glamour model. Leave that to the ladies. Let the ladies do the glamour models. Let's see. Someone in chat posted it. Yeah, I like that. Nice little quote, man. Pretty cool. That's it, man. Oh, shit, I forgot all about YouTube. All right, Instagram, I picked on enough people. I was just kidding about the beach photo shit. I'm going to put mine on there today. You inspired me, man. I'm going to go put mine on there. You ever thought about making DIY construction videos? No, sir, because I'm not very good at construction. So, I'm probably not the best guy. Let's see. Let's look at Starbucks before I go. Yeah, man, I like this Starbucks trade. I feel like we're going to be green by the end of the day. I just feel the market turning. I can feel it. There's a disturbance in the force. I can feel it. We'll see. Starbucks looks good. I like Starbucks here. It kind of broke the box, but when you get these box breaks that are just kind of like slant downs, I don't really necessarily consider that a break yet, but it is, but it's sideways too at the same time, So, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. That wasn't cool, man. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to insult any beach models out there. I love your work, man. I saw that picture Kylie Kardashian posted yesterday. My goodness. More attracts more. That's what Jessica said. I love that. If you want more beach houses, you got to post more beach pictures. She's right. I stand corrected. I didn't even think about that. You're right. More attracts more. I'm just kidding, man. I post beach pictures too. I don't look as good with my shirt off as that dude does, so I got a little jealous there. I apologize. That dude's all ripped. I'm just kidding, man. I'm just kidding, Lenny. I'm just kidding, man. You're all ripped and shit. I got jealous for a moment. I got no, Rich. You're not a beach model, bro. Maybe for maybe for like what's that magazine? Not Biker's World, but oh, that's funny. Oh, maybe we'll do that. We'll have a day where everyone posts their best beach model picture in honor of Lenny. Lenny, it's right. Oh man, I know. I got to bring back the gym poses. You're absolutely right, man. Let's see. He is rocking the abs, man. I wasn't kidding. That bro's ripped. I'm just fucking with him because he's ripped and I'm not. That's it. That's it. That's all I got. I'm degenerating now. Keep an eye on the market. I don't trust the market here. Jim Cramer was saying that today. He didn't trust it, but I do want to try to get some trades in if I can. I'm not going to ride down SOXL. If this thing breaks, let's get out. But it's holding. I got a feeling we're going to go green today. Lenny's offering male rip beach photos if anybody wants one. Just hit him up, ladies. Or men. I'm not judging. Neither is Lenny. That's it. That's all I got, man. All right. Appreciate you. Yeah, I agree with you, Curvy. I'm still mad at Jim for being down on oil. Now he loves oil. That guy, man. That guy. All right, YouTube. I got rid of them they got me sidetracked. Anybody got anything you want me to look at? We looked at Starbucks. What else we got? I like Starbucks here. PayPal, I mean, I wouldn't be loading up anytime soon, but I'm with you, man. If you'd have told me it was 103, I wouldn't have believed you. I like it, though, but I wouldn't necessarily. I mean, if you got a long enough time horizon, I guess it doesn't matter, but it's just gone straight down. I would give it time. Let's see at least an update, man. Yeah, a lot of people do think they know where the market's going. I'm hoping everyone's smart enough to know they're just guessing. Let's see. Nobody wants to see my beach ab pictures. Yeah, that dude was ripped, though. FDX stopped dropping. Let's look at FDX. I like this. Yeah, man, this was on my notes. I forgot I'm looking at my notes now. Look where it's coming into. I really like that. Let's see if it holds. I think Tip Ranks has what, like a 2. Let's pull up Tip. What's Tip Ranks have on it, man? I think Tip Ranks has a 270, if I'm right. Let me see. Dude, my memory's getting so bad. I used to have these memorized. I used to have hundreds of tickers. Like, you just say it, and I could tell you what the analyst thought, what the dividend yield was. 309, which is funny. That's back where it hit previous high before. So, man, yeah, this is hard not to like it. Yeah. If you can, stay on this. Give it a minute. But what you want to see, man, I'm telling you, this will change the way you see the market forever. That's what you're looking for, right? That grouping, this consolidation here. And we just need to see that over here. Nice, man. Jessica's saying DLR. Let's see. Yes, ma'am. Now, I had a kid ask me this yesterday. He obviously listens to me very closely. We were building a box, and then we had this thing called the kangaroo tail. I talk about this on the Getting Started with Stock Charts. If it comes down and comes right back in the same day, just ignore that tail, right? That's just a shock to system, so to speak. Yes, we are in a box. I like it. Good call. It's actually in my buy and hold. I like it here. Digital Realty's trading under the 200, pays a dividend. Let's see, DLR. You know what's killing me? Yeah, 22% upside. What's killing me on this stock? It's in my IRA, and I'm trying to load up my SEP IRA right now. But yeah, if you own this is a good spot to buy it. Yeah, Linus and Carlos have beautiful app pictures. You can go follow them. He's a very ripped man. Let's see. I like it. Good call, Jessica. I see you following them. Nice. It's too soon on Facebook, bro. Let me see. Too soon on Facebook. Man, this one's like PayPal and a dozen others. I'm just shocked by the sell-off. Like, I mean, this is still going straight down, dude. Look at this. And at the same time, the histogram is going up. So we obviously got some divergence here. That tells me the price is going to turn, but it's not turning. I'd wait. I'm in it. I feel it. Okay, we're talking real estate now. The XLRE is Spider Real Estate ETF. XLRE. Real Estate Select Sector Spider Fund. Now, no, this is, yeah, man, there's a lot of these setups, right? This one's nice. There's our box from the previous sell-off, and you're coming into the box now. Beautiful, man. We know it likes to make big moves. Big stage one there. Came back, came down. So, I mean, even as a small swing trade in that 47 range, you're going to run into trouble there, but that's $3 or $4. That's not bad. Let's see. That's a reversal candle, too, so I'd give it a minute. I don't know what you mean by under 195. I mean, that's not how I do it. I do it based on stage ones, man. So I'm looking for it to stop dropping and start going sideways, and that's how it starts. So I would put an anchor point here, and we'll see if it holds up over the next couple days. That's how I would do it. And if it does, I would start to nibble, and as it starts to move on the breakout, the moment it goes to breakout, like you saw there, I'd be in. I'd set my target, and you see right there, perfect swing trade. So same thing happening here. Remember, we talk about the weather. If you don't have to be a weatherologist or a meteorologist, not meteorologist. You guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah, meteorologist. So that pattern is exactly what we're seeing here. And so we just want to watch it set up. Dow's down 400 again. Nice. Bowen's artwork. I guess are you a tattoo artist there, sir? Nice. Yep, that's a nice one too, man. We need to write these down. XLRE. FedEx is nice. DLR is nice. There's still a lot of hope here. It's just fucking growth is getting smashed. I'm going to give you a strategy if you don't know what to do, if it's messing with you. I was telling a kid this. Listen, let's say you own 20 of these growth stocks. Let's say 10 of them are in ARK, or 10 of them are in another ETF, probably ARK. What I did in 2008 when they would not stop dropping is I just decided to add to the index that held most of my stocks. I stopped adding to my stocks. I mean, I added to a couple of them, but I just kept adding to the ETF. I just kept adding. I wasn't even waiting on stage ones. Looking back, I should have done, that's what I should have been doing. And I just add, and I would add, and I just kept adding. Well, when the market turned, obviously, as it went higher and higher and higher, a lot of those ads started to become in profit, and I would pull them off and add to the stocks. And I got back into trading the stocks. Does that make sense? So that is one when you just don't know what to do, but you want to add money because they're cheap. Targeting the ETF is a way to do that, and then you can always peel that money off once the ETF turns around and the market starts to move higher. And that's what I did, and it worked. You're taking advantage of low prices, same time you don't have the single stock risk, if that's a problem, because it is hard to add to 20 stocks. Hope that made sense. Think on that. It will make sense to you as you think on it. Anyway, man, I appreciate you guys. Do you drink Mountain Dew? Oh, you're from Arkansas. Nice. Richest Tamont. In the Discord group this morning, I said that hillbillies drink Mountain Dew. And I think we could classify Arkansas as a hillbilly state. I'm sure Bowens would agree that there are hillbillies in Arkansas. That is true. There is a Netflix documentary of the soda companies putting in Mountain Dew, super sugar, right? Putting it into the areas where the Appalachian Mountains and the hillbillies and all that, which is not, in my opinion, not a derogatory term. A lot of my family are hillbillies, so it just means people that live in the country, man. And they love Mountain Dew. I don't know what it is about it, but it's true. They do love Mountain Dew. To the point where they give it to their kids in bottles. And so all these kids were coming in with fucked up teeth because they've been drinking Mountain Dew since they were babies. That's true. Mitchell said some solid advice. That is, I don't know, man. I've tried trading around Ethereum Classic. I wouldn't be buying Ethereum Classic into a downtrend. I would stick with the big ones, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. I haven't added almost any crypto in a minute, dude. It just keeps going down. So let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's holding its ground. Still a stage 4 decline. We'll wait and see if it holds here. I mean, honestly, that's a true story on the hillbillies drinking Mountain Dew. You can Google that shit. I mean, maybe turn a drip on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Add $10, $20 a day to each one. If you're wanting to just take advantage of these low prices and not try to sweat buying the stage 1s or 2s, I mean, that's a strategy. But they look like they're going lower, man. That's what the charts say. Let's see, SL. I imagine every culture has some shit they shouldn't be eating that they're eating, or drinking that they shouldn't be drinking. Standard, a lithium. This is a battery play. SL. What is it? SLI? Yeah. I don't know, man. Stage 1 here. Obviously, if Russia gets worse and worse, this is going lower and lower. I like the stock. This is one I've actually done a little research on. I think they have like a $17, $18 target on it. No, so it's basically an $11 target. It's still a lot higher, man. It's like 80% higher. For some reason I may be thinking of Plug or one of the other ones. Once Ethereum moves to Pons, the Ethereum Classic will be the #1 PO smart contract platform. Could be, but I think in the meantime it's going down. Yeah, that Dew teeth is a legitimate thing. I love Mountain Dew, so I like the diet Mountain Dew. Yep, looks good, man. I'd wait on Ethereum and them here. All these growth stocks look terrible. The only thing working is shit like Campbell's Food. I mean, that was breaking out. Obviously, that tells you the state of the market. Cisco's still breaking out. Are tempting. So, I mean, it's just these large, big cap stocks some of them are working, oil stocks. Don't trim all your oil stocks to buy cheap stocks. Hold some of the shit going up, Trim them, but don't close them out or anything. Yes, sir, Patrick. Appreciate you. All right, man, I'll leave you guys be. Have a good time. Bye-bye.